Welcome back students to your very own YouTube channel MP Middle School. This is the part 3 of the chapter number 9 soil. As promised, in this part we will be covering the topics crops and its relation to the types of soil, the percolation rate of the soil and the hydroponic plants. So let's get started. Crops and its relation to the types of soil. In our previous video, we studied about the different types of soil and which soil is fit for agriculture and which type of soil is not. We also studied about the properties and the characteristics of each type of soil. Now, we will talk about the crops and their relation to the types of soil. Depending on the climatic factors and components of the soil, different types of crops are grown in different regions. It is a very common phenomena you must have observed in movies, or you must have visited different places also, that different climatic factors leads to different types of soil in a particular regions. So the type of soil in a particular region is directly dependent on the climatic conditions of that particular area. So when we talk about clayey soil and loamy soil, they are good for growing cereals like wheat and gram. Clay soil is rich in organic matter, and soil with good capacity to retain water is also good for growing paddy, wheat, etc. And clay soil is one of them. Talking about the loamy soil is the soil which has a very high draining capacity and it can hold plenty of water. It is best suited for growing lentils, that is dals, and other pulses, and also cotton. One of the soil called black soil is also used for growing cotton. Now let us try to understand what is the percolation rate of the soil. It is basically the amount of water that can be absorbed by the soil. Okay, so there is a particular formula through which we calculate the amount of water that the soil can absorb. So percolation rate of soil is used to determine the absorption rate of the soil, and the rate of percolation is the ratio of the amount of water in millimeters to the percolation time in minutes. Whenever we try to calculate the rate of anything, we always consider the time that has been taken to occur the phenomena. Only then we say that we have calculated the rate of that process. So when we try to calculate the percolation rate, it is very important for us to divide the amount of water which has been absorbed by the soil in milliliters by the time that has been taken by the soil in minutes. By putting the readings in this formula, we will be able to calculate the percolation rate of the soil. Talking about hydroponic plants. Now these are very unique plants. Why? Because they do not need soil to grow. Instead, these plants only need water to grow. That is why the name hydroponic. The word hydro represents water. Now these types of plants are known as hydroponic plants because they can grow only in the water and they don't need soil to grow. Now your homework is to find out the name of such plants which are hydroponic in nature. This was all about part 3 of chapter number 9 soil. I hope you have liked the video. If you have any doubts, comment down below. If you liked the video, click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications about my upcoming video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay healthy.